I hope you all would have understood the chapter. Let's revise the chapter. Transportation. What is transportation? Yes, it's the process of transferring people and goods from one place to another. If you're transferring the things from one place to another, that is known as a transportation. Measurement. This also I made you understand what is the meaning of measurement. Measurement means is the comparison of an unknown quantity. That means unknown quantity means that also I told that this, suppose if in an object you want to measure the length of that object, you don't know what is the length of that object. So what you will do? You will bring a meter scale or a measuring tape. So the length of the measuring tape or the meter scale you know. So what are you doing? You are comparing the length of the unknown quantity with the known one. It is known as a measurement. Methods of measurement. There are the two types of measurement, exact method measurement and the inexact. Exact, where we are using the standard tools like scale, measuring tape, meter tap, meter scale. These are the exact. By the inexact, where we are using the body parts like handspan, cubit, footstep. These all are the known as the inexact manner. Need for exact method of measurement lead to the standard units of measurement. Yes, so that also like why we have come to the standard unit of measurement. The standard unit of measurement which is followed throughout the world to avoid the confusion, to avoid the misunderstanding. So SI unit of length is meter, SI unit of mass is gram, while the SI unit of time is second. Motion and rest. What do you understand by the word motion? Motion means state of body changes with respect to its surroundings or time. As I have already, when an object moves and changes its position with respect to the time or the surrounding, we call it that object is in motion. Rest, when in no sort of movement is being shown. Wherever you have placed the object remains in the same place. We call that it is at rest. It's not showing any sort of movement. The types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, and rotatory motion. Rectilinear motion, when an object moves in a straight line. Motion of a circular path, that means when an object moves in a circle, the whole body is moving in a circle, we call it as a circular motion. Periodic motion, when the motion moves along with a fixed interval, when it repeats. So here you can see the object is there, and after a fixed interval of time, it is coming to this mean position, come to the mean position, coming to the mean position. So after a fixed interval of time, the object is coming at the mean position. This sort of motion is known as a periodic motion. Rotatory motion means when this object moves on a fixed axis, on one place, it's moving on a fixed axis. This is known as our rotatory motion. I hope you all would have understood the chapter. Now, the important terms of the chapter, I request all of you to please open your classwork notebook and write all these terms in your notebook. Circular motion, it is a type of motion in which a body moves round as a whole on a circular path. I think all of you are clear. That means the whole body is moving in a circular path. Cubit, it is the measurement made from elbow to the tip. Elbow to the tip of the finger. That means this length is known as our cubit. Length from the elbow to the tip of the finger. Handspan, it is the length between the tips of the thumb and the little finger. This is known as your handspan. Kilogram, it is the SI unit of mass. The SI unit of mass is what? It is kilogram. The next term, measurement. Again, very easy term. Comparison of an unknown quantity with a fixed known quantity is known as your measurement. Meter, it is the SI unit of length. Micron, it is one of the unit of length used in measuring the size of molecules. This you will study in the higher standard, but good if you know it. Motion, a state of body in which its position changes with respect to its surroundings or time, is known as motion. Pace, it is the distance between one footstep to another. Periodic motion, it is a type of motion in which the movement of a body is repeated after a fixed interval of time. Rectilinear motion, it is a motion possessed by an object moving along a straight line. In a straight line the object is moving, then we call it as a rectilinear motion. Rest, when an object does not changes its place with respect to surroundings or time, is the object is known as rest. Thank you and keep learning, and I hope you all are enjoying the science class. Thank you.